हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम वेलकम टू अनदर व्लॉग छुप जाओ तो मेरे पीछे छुप
Hello
जाओ
everyone, welcome to another vlog, welcome to our YouTube channel। ये मैंने
माइक
बहुत
में
अरसे
घुस
बाद किया है,
माइक
सॉरी।
के
मुझे
माइक के अंदर
आदत
घुस
नहीं
के
है,
बोल
मुझे
रही है।
आदत नहीं है, सॉरी, बट बहुत अरसे बाद एक नया व्लॉग शुरू किया है। एंड हम
या
हैं लाहौर शहर में और हम हैं
नाम भी भूल गई है मैडम।
फोर्सी लेन एंड इट्स
दिस इज हाउ यू प्रोनाउंस इट।
आई थिंक सो, फोर्सी लेन,
ऑलराइट सो वी आर एट पोर्सलेन
पोर्सिलेन।
एंड अभी हम चलते हैं चेकआउट करते हैं खाने वाने जगह की वाइब की बहुत तारीफ़ें सुनी है सो यू विल गेट टू सी सम वेरी ब्यूटीफुल शॉट्स ऑफ द प्लेस।
Stay
Can't
tuned,
wait. Let's
keep
go
watching।
inside. Without any more wait, let's go inside. मैडम का कंटेंट अपना इंस्टाग्राम का स्टार्ट हो चुका है। फ़ौरन इंस्टा की शूट स्टार्ट हो गई है ना आपकी।
Okay, so this is their afternoon tea menu, which is very आजकल बहुत चल रहा है। एंड उसमें दे हैव अ मिक्सचर ऑफ सेवरीज एंड स्वीट्स एंड ऑफ कोर्स टी। सो दिस इज़ समथिंग दैट वी आर हैविंग फॉर श्योर। दिस इज़ आई थिंक 2 से 3 लोगों का है। इस पे लिखा लिखा कुछ नहीं है, बट आई थिंक इट्स फॉर 2 to 3 पीपल। एंड हमारा प्लेटर आ गया है। So, इसके बाद मैं आपको बाकी मेन्यू दिखाती हूँ। So for the rest of the menu, they have a lot of menu. Udhar Faraz, you have more stuff. So we have smaller plates जो appetizers में आपके पास काफ़ी कुछ आ जाता है. You have prawns, you have beef, steak है, sandwiches हैं, ravioli है, pasta है. Mains में भी आपके पास काफ़ी कुछ है. You have a lot of option from seafood to chicken to steak again. उसके बाद we have sandwiches and sides as well, so that is apart from the main menu that they have. So उनके पास sandwiches भी हैं and उसके अलावा उनके पास desserts भी हैं. So I think the menu is quite क्या कहते हैं, एक्सटेंसिव। एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू चेक आउट द प्लेस, आप इंस्टाग्राम पे ज़रूर इसका मेन्यू अच्छी तरीके से एक्सप्लोर करें, पिक्चर्स देखें, हमारा व्लॉग देखें और फिर उसके बाद डू चेक इट आउट।
बेगम मसरूफ़ हैं इंस्टा कंटेंट बनाने में और मैं इंतज़ार कर रहा हूँ कि कब मेरी आफ्टरनून टी स्टार्ट होगी। बाय द वे दिस इज़ व्हाट इट लुक्स लाइक। लाइट्स कैमरा एक्शन।
व्हाट डू यू वांट टू स्टार्ट विद?
First of all, I want to keep this aside.
No, let's see what all
I want to start with the sandwich.
sandwich.
Yeah. So which one is this? This one is
I need the olive.
grilled chicken. Okay. This is not grilled chicken. This is apple walnut chicken. Very
I
different.
can taste the walnut.
But it's more like a spread thing. So the bread is not normal bread. You know?
It is whole wheat, I think.
No, it's not. Whole wheat is this one
Whole wheat is this one.
with the pulled beef.
We are so hungry. I don't know how to put this in my calorie count though.
If you know
One
what
thing
is-
down. On to the second one. क्या खा रहे हैं हम? Let's try the grilled chicken.
Don't you want to eat tomato?
I don't know if this was supposed to be covered.
Let's try.
It already has a lot of tomato. It's a good grilled
Very homely taste.
chicken sandwich. Yeah.
By the way, the whole vibe is also like घर का drawing room.
क्या करूँ उसका?
It is like it. It's like a dining room.
Sandwich is really good. Better than the apple walnut one. That was a different taste altogether.
I like it.
But that was more of a spread. This is more of like actual chunky chicken. So that's coming out more better in the mouth. Flavor better. I can move on to the next one.
मीठा तो सारा आप खाएंगे?
No,
I'm not a मीठा fan.
I'm on a diet. हम मीठा हाफ हाफ करेंगे.
चलो.
Okay.
Now we're talking. Show me the meat. Show me the meat. क्या सीन है?
this is really good. Yeah? He doesn't want to say anything.
I just wanted to enjoy the flavor in my mouth. It is pulled beef in sourdough.
The bread is not hard. It has been pan seared in butter. So उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा butter का taste आ रहा है जैसे आप smash burger खाते हैं. The bun is very buttery. Here the bread is very buttery. So okay.
Very few places know how to do the beef right. After eating beef from so many different places, boys compete कर रहे हैं जरा उस level पे. नहीं? Like the meat itself has a very good taste.
This
Wow.
is really good.
I'm done. ये मीठा आपका हुआ. I want water. Excuse me.
Do you want to try this cone?
Oh yeah. Freshly baked scones with clotted cream.
You want to do?
I want to share it.
वैसे
Show
तो
me your glass.
आधा हुआ फराज का. They're actually freshly baked. They're still warm. And I want that as well.
Oh, the jam.
The jam.
Now the whole jam is cream. इसे कोई भी क्रीम खिला दो ये खुश हो जाती है.
I'm taking this from my mom. She's going to love it.
Okay, you take the next one for her. Look.
From the other side. Yeah. Okay, so now we're on to the next item, which is going to be. Do you want to eat a chocolate tart?
No, you will eat chocolate tart.
No, we're going to do it half half.
No.
Half and half. Come on.
I will eat lemon tart.
No, I just want to eat
There are
lemon
two
tart.
lemon tart.
No. We're going to do half half. Everything.
No, I'm
Yes.
not playing this game.
We're playing this game.
No, we're not.
1, 2. Ayana के साथ खेल रही हूँ ना मैं. पकड़ो. Hold it. It's so good.
Chocolate tart is not my thing.
Very flowery.
Yeah.
Lemon tart.
I don't like chocolate tart. आज कंफर्म हो गई है ये बात. Butter. It's so fresh.
The custard, the lemon curd, बहुत ज़्यादा डाला हुआ है. खट्टा थोड़ा ज़्यादा है. What do we have next?
We have our prawns. I have my eyes on my prawns.
Oh, what is this? Please.
This is apple pie. There is a walnut tart and apple pie.
This is a walnut tart for sure, and that's an apple pie.
Yeah. Thank you.
हमारे prawns
With
आ गए हैं.
vegetable.
Vegetable prawns.
Vegetable नहीं, like vegetable prawns.
Tempura prawns and tempura vegetables. And we have a sauce as well with it. But first, the
Let me
prawns
take a
need to
picture
take
first.
a selfie. Oopsies. Did you catch it?
Reflexes अच्छे हैं मेरे. शुक्र अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह.
Oh. What is zucchini?
Let me dip it in. Woody, weha. I can't tell what's inside the shell.
I really hope this is an aloo.
Prawn is good. It's a carrot. It's a carrot.
Never in my life.
Let's bet what's in this. Okay. I
Zucchini.
Can see some...
This is zucchini. This
Confirm?
is 100%. This is
Okay.
onion.
No.
This is onion.
It could be bangin.
No, this is onion. This is onion.
I'll just stick to my prawn.
Crunch आ रहा है आपको? Mic में.
I doubt. Okay, I'm done. You can take this meeta home. I should not have had coffee before coming here. We didn't get our tea.
Ah, we'll get it.
Which tea you want? It's a pot of tea for two, so I'm just waiting for my pot. Oh, I had the palak and the meat and the rice plate and a tikki, all of that.
I don't need anything. I
Sorry.
had fruit.
Sorry if I'm too full. I like be behind the tissue paper. Oh, Shazre, exercise भी नहीं हो रही मेरी because मैं पाकिस्तान आया हुआ हूँ. Calories burn
What
नहीं हो
an
रही, सिर्फ
excuse.
चल रहा है.
Never done this teapot thing ever in my life. और तुमने दिखाया नहीं व्लॉग में कि मैंने चाय कैसे बनाई.
मैं वो इंस्टा की वीडियो निकालूंगा और मैं डालूंगा यहाँ पे कि तुमने चाय कैसे बनाई. She can't handle teapots.
हाँ वो देचकी में से चाय में डाल लेती हूँ, टीपॉट में से चाय नहीं.
Anyhow, this was Proclean. And
Porcelain.
he was saying porcelain, so porcelain. I'm so tired now. I just have to meet 2 friends and I want to sleep
2
now.
friends?
Yeah. My tea is done. This was porcelain for you guys, and if you are coming here, then do try this. Or if you don't want to go through the full thing, you can just go for a couple of sandwiches. Do try their pulled beef. That was really good. Chocolate tart was not my thing, I guess. So
The scones and the cream and the jam
Oh,
was
yeah,
to
yeah.
die for.
That was really good.
To die for. It was so freshly baked. वो इतना गर्म था, वो इतने मज़े का था. वो मैंने एक पैक कराया लेकिन वो घर जाते जाते वैसा नहीं रहेगा. But it was so good when I had it.
guys, this was porcelain. It was really good to try the place. The place has a vibe. So yeah, keep watching, stay tuned, and see you soon. Bye bye.